What's up, guys? Welcome back. Welcome back. This is Sergio with Sixtos Elite. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about a traffic challenge. As you guys know, I like to create content. I get paid referral fees with companies that I partner up with. It's what I've done with these major companies, plus so many others more. I'm not going to bore you with that information. Today, I'm going to get right into it, guys. It's for someone like you to get your first lead or your first customer, or somebody interested in whatever you're promoting, and to get your first sale. Now, the reason I'm doing this now is because the holidays are upon us. The holidays and then the new year. Around these times is when people are wanting to do those like New Year's resolutions and things like that. They're coming into a change. They want to have better health. They want to be fit. They want to be healthier. They want to make more money. So that is why it's one of the best times to actually get in on this traffic challenge, especially for somebody that's brand new. And I'm going to show you how to do it now. So let's get myself out of here. Move myself this way. So as you guys know, I am partners with Jonathan Montoya. That is my mentor. That is my partner. And what we are doing is a traffic challenge. And he's done this a few times over the past year. And we're starting it again on November 8th. The cool thing is, if you are part of the 3-day training already, you can actually get in on this for free at no extra charge. This is something that's going to be helping you. I'm going to explain exactly what all it comes with. So what it's going on is he's going to be bringing in 6 and 7 figure affiliates, super affiliates, to help you to break out of wherever you may be right now. Maybe you're stuck, maybe you're overthinking it. Look, everyone here that I'm about to show you started at zero. Didn't know what the heck was going on. They were either in debt, on food stamps, pretty much on the brink of losing homes, lost, basically lost. That's what everyone I'm about to show you has been on. And if you go to once you're in the challenge, this is pretty much the 2 steps you need to do. If you want to join, again, it's for free, for 3-day Business Breakthrough Challenge members. So the first step, if you haven't already, join the 3-day Business Breakthrough Challenge. I'll leave a link down below in the description for you to do that if you have not done that yet. Again, it's only $7 to join. It's very, very inexpensive. The second thing is, you're going to want to join the private Facebook group. If you don't have Facebook, you need to go create one. I know it sucks. I never had Facebook before I started this online business, but you need to do it to get the insight on all of these things. Mostly to join these Facebook groups, these private ones. So once you join, you're gonna actually go here. You're gonna be added into. Move myself this way. Jonathan Montoya's Facebook group. It's about the 3-day business breakthrough. If you scroll down, he actually has it pinned, the newest activity, and it goes over the TikTok Reels Traffic Challenge. The cool thing is, you can actually get 75% commissions. So if you were promoting the 3-day, if you become an affiliate with the 3-day, and you wanted to be part of this training, you actually can get access to 75% commissions. With that being said, if somebody pays, let's say, for example, pull out this calculator. If somebody pays $97 for something in the 3-day training, any of the upsells, you get $72 off of that. $72. What this traffic challenge does is pretty much to break you out of that comfort zone. It's pretty much to push you to create that content, because that's what you need to do when you're referring people's products, especially on social media, the organic way. I know some people don't like to show their face. I tell them, look, it's going to build more trust. You just need to get out there. But yeah, I'm not going to go into all this. You can read this on your own once you get in the Facebook group. But it's pretty much giving you instructions on how to get the 75% commissions. It'll tell you the instructions right here. It's very, very, very simple. Very simple. And well, the cool thing is that people drop their tags right here in the comments. You can follow each other. So if you don't have a lot of followers on TikTok right now, you can go follow them. Leave your tag here. These people are going to go in and follow you, so it can actually build up your followers. If you don't have the 1,000 followers yet on TikTok, this will help you. Now, okay, you're like, okay, let's go back here. So that's the joining the private Facebook group. Again, getting 75% commissions. It's to get you out of your comfort zone. You need to start creating content. The community is amazing. If you get stuck, just ask a question. We are there. We are there to help you. We are there present. So this other part is a cool thing. You're going to be getting these live trainings at no extra charge if you are a member of the 3 day. So, first one, as you can see, the dates and the times will be here. First one, Andre. Andre struggled for months. I can tell you that. I've seen it. He struggled for months. I heard he was on the point of giving up until he just one day hit it big. I mean, he made like 75,000 in 1 month using Instagram Reels. And that's actually what's going to be part of this challenge, TikTok and Instagram Reels. The cool thing is you can upload a TikTok. Like I can upload a TikTok, right here. Once I'm done with that video, I can actually go on Instagram. I can go on Instagram and upload the same video. So it's just creating one video and being present on two different platforms. So you get double the exposure. And so he's going to be going over that. Jasleen, she's another, as you can see, a red hot buyer. She turns people into buyers. She's someone that's newer, but she's awesome. Power duo couple, Ryan and Megan Hobbs. They're going to be here on November 10th teaching about how to crush it on TikTok. So if you're having trouble, you need to join in on these trainings. They are free. The number one affiliate for the Freedom Breakthrough, that one right there, number one affiliate, Daniel Chow's going to be there. He's going to show you how to create viral TikTok videos in 15 minutes. He knows how to go viral. He knows how to do it. Camila, she's a newer person, but she is quickly growing up in the rankings. So she was managed to go like 2 times gold with the company in a matter of months. It's crazy. Paul Griffith, powerful dude, man. I don't consider myself a super affiliate whatsoever, but I'm going to be on the training as well. I'll be there November 15th, so you guys can actually join me on this live training. Again, you need to be part of the 3-day challenge to get access to this. Sarah Ravel, she's already legendary as it is. She pretty much shot up to 100,000 in commissions in a matter of like 3 months. So she killed it. And Baldeep, fastest person to become gold in the Freedom Breakthrough right there. Bam, that one. She's pretty much achieved the gold status the fastest. And by gold, I mean earned 10,000 in commissions. So she's pretty new, but she's doing awesome. Again, you'll get all of these trainings for free. They are live. But you need to be a member. Now, if you already are a member of the 3-day training and you wanna actually participate, first, of course, do these 2 steps. But once you log in, where's my page? Once you log into your 3-day, if you're already part of the 3-day, of course, that's me in this same little room. You completed the day 1, day 2, day 3. Let's say you have that set up here. You're going to go here, become a Freedom Breakthrough affiliate. This video explains how to become an affiliate. And normally you only get 50% commissions if you were to promote it. But with the challenge, you're going to be making 75% commissions if you follow these simple steps, like basic little rules. So you'll get in on it. You'll make 75, not 50. Why do you need to do this? I mean, it's easy. It's easy methods to get started. As it says here, the students are introduced to making money online through fundamentals. Right now is the time to jump in on this. This is the simple button to show you how to become an affiliate. It's that easy. It's that easy to become an affiliate. So once you buy the 3-day, you can automatically become an affiliate. I know some other places require you to go through certain amounts of trainings for weeks and weeks. This one, you automatically get approved. As it says here, join the Facebook group. The Facebook group is going to show you how to upgrade to 75. We're going to hold you accountable. Trust me, we're going to hold you accountable every single day. You're going to have to be posting. And It's not to make you feel well, I guess in a way we kind of want you to feel uncomfortable, right? Because we want you to break out of that comfort zone. Uh, i i have a lot of people who participate in this, and they're like, dude, I was so scared to create content. I held back for so long, but this is the thing that pushed them out of there. They're getting their first lead and their email list. They're making money. It's crazy. This is where a lot of people get their start. A lot of people get their start right here. It's just, again, to break out, build that confidence, to actually get hands-on experience. So go ahead, guys. If you're not part of the 3-day training yet, I'm going to leave the link down below. If you want more information on this, comment I'm in, and I will actually respond to you. It will be me. I mean, I'm a little blur that out right there. So once you actually become an affiliate, this is pretty much what your page will look like. And you scroll to the bottom, you'll even be able to promote the same thing right here. TikTok, Instagram, Reels, Traffic Challenge. Click on here. This is going to be your affiliate link. So you clicked it, you can select it here. You can copy this. I'm going to paste it here. And it's pretty much going to be your affiliate link. So if once you build your funnel, well, like on day 2, once you build your funnel, you're going to lead them here. So yeah, get that set up. You still have 5 days. I mean, the traffic challenge doesn't start till November 8th, but you need to get on it. Make sure everything works. Your emails are working. Your funnel's working. If you're having trouble with it, comment in the Facebook group. We will help you. We will help you to be up and running, and go make that money. Go get it. Break out of your comfort zone, like I tell people. The cool thing is, once you have your funnel and your email tool set up as it's shown on day 2, once you have that set up, your only task is bring in traffic. Create content. That's what we want you to do. Don't wait until January to do this. You want to do it now before the holidays kick in. This is the time when more people buy than ever. Whether it's learning how to make money, whether it's fitness, you need to get on it. But this challenge is meant to break you out of that comfort zone. So again, I'll leave the link down in the description to join the 3-day. You can become an affiliate, get that 75% commission, and start creating content on November the 8th. I will also leave a link down in the description down below if you want to work hands-on with me. Hands-on with me, you actually get my hands-on mentorship for an entire month. I will leave a link down below so you can find out how to do that yourself. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in there. Again, if you haven't done this yet, comment I'm in. I will respond to you. Otherwise, get in on that 3-day training if you're not in on it yet. Get in on it. This will be powerful. This will help you. So again, if you like this video, drop a like. If you haven't already subscribed, please do that. And I will be dropping videos every other day. So thank you for being here with me today. You guys take care.